I feel sad. My friends laugh.
It's okay. We can practice. Do not be afraid. Mistakes help us learn. Let us start simple. Simple present tense. I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth. I drink water.
Let us start simple. Simple present tense. Good. Now you try.
I wake up early.
Excellent. And again?
I drink tea.
I go to school.
I read books.
I like cricket. I am learning.
I am learning.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
Simple present is for daily life, for habits and facts. The sun rises in the east.
The sun rises in the east.
The train leaves at 9.
The train leaves at 9.
I speak English with joy. I practice every day. Thank you, Englishs4u.
I wake up early. I wake up early too. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I drink tea. I can say this. Yes, very good. I go to school. I go to college. I read books. I read stories. I like cricket. I like music. I eat rice. I drink milk. Excellent.
You are improving.
Thank you. What do you do in the morning? I wake up early. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. What do you eat? I eat bread. What do you drink? I drink tea. I feel happy. That is good. I feel shy in class. Do not be shy. Say more sentences. I clean my room. I help my mother. Very nice. I sing songs. Wonderful. You do not laugh at me. Never.
Simple present is for habits.
The sun rises in the east. Perfect.
The train leaves at 9.
I understand.
And here it comes.
Right on schedule.
The train leaves at 9. I understand. This tense is the base. The train leaves at 9. I understand. This tense is the base.
Make 10 sentences every day.
I will.
Make 10 sentences every day.
I will.
Read aloud. Okay.
The sun shines bright, warming the flowers in the trees.
Watch English movies.
With subtitles. I feel confident.